Fixing Ps4 error Su-42118-6. Try to open our console using the TH screwdriver. Yeah. Yes, this one. Yes. It's up to you guys. Whatever screws you got on your Ps4, try to figure out. Yes, we need to remove the 3 screws at the back, lower part actually, and then try to open it slowly. And now I show you guys what cable you need to reconnect. Actually, I tried everything, like reinstall the system up, software, nothing worked. From USB, yeah, this cable you need to reconnect this one.